Hello and welcome back to another episode, the next episode. Here I have more things that I'm just gonna read from my notes from chemistry. Metals. Metals have common property of conducting heat and electricity. They have a prime role in many industries. The properties are they show metallic luster. They are usually malleable and ductile. And for the meaning of malleability is the property by virtue of which metal can be rolled into sheets. Ductility is a property by virtue of which a metal can be drawn into wires. They usually have high melting and boiling points. They grow greater in size, which causes low ionization energies and from cations very easily. They are good conductors of heat and electricity in solid and liquid state due to mobile electrons. Compressibility, highly compressible due to empty spaces between their molecules. When gases are compressed, molecules come closer to one another and occupy less volume as compared to the volume in uncompressed state. Boyle's law. In 1662, Robert Boyle studied the relationship between the volume and pressure of gas at a constant temperature, it is the volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure provided the temperature remains constant. And for it, the volume of a given mass of a gas decreases with the increase of pressure and vice versa. K is proportionally constant. The value is same for the same amount of given gas. And Boyle's law states as the product of the pressure and volume of a fixed mass of a gas is constant at a constant temperature. Both equations have constant, therefore the variabilities are also equal to each other. It establishes the relationship between pressure and volume of the gas. Charles' law, the relationship between volume and temperature, keeping the pressure constant was also studied. In 1787, French scientist J. Charles presented his law. The volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature if the pressure is kept constant. When the pressure is kept constant, the volume of a given mass of a gas is proportional to absolute temperature. K is constant. If temperature of the gas increases, its volume also increases. When the temperature is changed from T1 to T2, the volume changes from V1 to V2. And always remember to always convert temperature scale from degrees Celsius to K or Kelvin scale while solving the problems. And the equation is K equals 273 plus degrees Celsius. Evaporation is a continuous process taking at all temperatures. The rate of evaporation is directly proportional to temperature, and it increases with the increase of temperature because of the increase in kinetic energy of the molecules. Evaporation is a cooling process. The high kinetic energy molecules vaporize. The temperature of remaining molecules fall down too, and it leads to compensate this deficient energy. Molecules of liquid absorb energy from surroundings, and the surrounding temperature decreases, causing the cooling effect. For example, the drop of alcohol on a palm, or which the alcohol evaporates, which is also an example of the cooling effect. And lastly, vapor pressure. The vapor pressure is the pressure exerted by the vapors of a liquid at equilibrium with the liquid at a particular temperature of a liquid. And equilibrium is a state when the rate of evaporation and the rate of condensation is equal to each other but opposite in direction. Alright, that is all for today's video.